I'd like to throw a challenge down to your mum. We attempt making a souffle and we'll see who can make the best souffle. The other side of the family, my cousin, Cuz Kate, is a brilliant cook. Brilliant. Neroli.
Yes, Neroli. I mean, Kate's
brilliant cook.
Worked for Maggie Beer, hasn't she?
What happened? What happened?
What happened to the jeans?
The jeans. I thought what I'll do is I'll try and follow Stephanie Alexander.
Well, I'm going to go with my worn-out version of Margaret Fulton, which has my recipe in it.
Oh wow, that looks well. See, you've got pictures.
I've got a picture.
Oh,
that's the beautiful chicken souffle.
Oh, see, you're already at an advantage. This is going to be slightly terrifying. Here we go.
Here we go. Eggs to bust. No, that's not fluffy omelette. We don't want fluffy omelette cheese on it. Right.
So we couldn't get any Gruyere cheese.
On very low heat, the bay leaf.
Now the other little tricky thing is gluten-free flour, so I'm not sure how that's going to go.
Had these for 100 years, but they might still have some flavour in it.
I would have liked to have had just been laid eggs, but sadly couldn't quite get down to the Hunter Valley to go and get those. Just a bit of a shout out to Sarah there. If you do like fresh eggs, just been laid, check them out.
Mills. Yes.
Shit, I'm gonna order. Okay, preheat oven.
100 pints equals 56. Oh no, that piece of done.
Yeah, just turn it up to 20 degrees, 200 degrees.
Hey Siri, what is 3/4 of a pint?
Another small problem we might have is that our oven leaks heat.
5 millilitres.
I want the bzzz.
5 imperial pints to millilitres.
I don't even know where all the stuff is in the kitchen. Like I never cook, so.
126 millilitres.
Well, that sounds right.
That's it.
Ah, cool. I found one of these things. I guess that's kind of helpful. I need butter. Butter, a 1 litre souffle dish. Does that look like 1 litre? Looks litre-ish enough to me. So tip in 1 tablespoon of Parmesan cheese and coat sides. Wash my hands.
1 tablespoon must be about 15.
So, buttering the dish.
What happened on this for so? Oh, milk problems.
That's the thing I don't like about cooking. There's just so much stuff. It's so annoying. With 1 that looks like a tablespoon. Okay.
A bit more butter, it'll stick to the sides better.
This one actually has cobwebs in it because we haven't used it for so long.
I really don't quite know if this is how you do it.
Oh look! Shit, I didn't even realise we had that.
There's something down there that's burning, I think. Yes.
Oh god. And stir in, so I should probably get that other stuff ready.
And Souffle.
Yeah, this is our fake Gruyere cheese. Gruyere. Gruyere.
No, actually, you're doing the Parmesan right now. So the Gruyere is going to be made up of Cracker Barrel.
Oh fuck, so I've put the wrong one in already.
No wonder the Parmesan didn't want to cling to the sides. That was Cracker
Oh
Barrel
shit,
That's
okay.
not going to cling to the sides.
Alright, I've done the wrong cheese.
4 egg whites
4 egg whites.
and 3 egg yolks. Oh.
Because if it doesn't work, I'm blaming the flour. Oh shit. I was actually meant to put in the milk first and bring that to a boil. Then stir. And the remaining Parmesan, where's the remaining Parmesan?
You're supposed to grate whole Parmesan.
Oh shit. Is it too late to put the milk in? I'll just put the milk in now. Just bring that to a boil.
I mean, it's about 30 years since I
So that's boiling, so now I'm just going to bring that down to a simmer. For other use. Well, hang on, that doesn't make sense because there's 5 eggs, stirring conjure and remaining, and then egg yolks, one at a time. So
I agree, it doesn't make sense.
that makes no sense whatsoever.
Anyway, just stick all the yolks in, I reckon.
Okay, all right.
Don't go lumpy, don't go lumpy.
Oh shit. That went to plan. God, cooking is so stressful. How can you enjoy this? It's like, it doesn't say if you can use electrical or not, so it's just, I think it's easier if you just use the electrical. Otherwise I'd be here for years.
Oh, I think I can do it. I think it'll fit, will it? You just have to fold this in quickly. Neroli said to fold it in quickly and not... Obviously I should have started with a bigger...
Should be able to tip it. Freak me! So put half in.
Oh, thanks, Graham. We can lick the bowl.
Hello.
That's a bit terrifying.
I think it will, Graham. We've just...
Alright, transfer into prepared dish and run your thumb around the edge of the souffle mixture.
I got this. Good, this is going to do. Oh, and a bit more cheese, I think.
In it goes.
200 degrees.
I think it should be just a little bit less than 200 degrees.
Oh shit. Okay.
Oh, that wasn't too bad.
It was probably a little bit sloppier. I don't think. Just not sure.
That's the first time I've ever separated egg whites.
Is it? Oh, Graham, you did a good job.
Bea can continue to do our cooking for us. I'd be very happy with that.
Have you got the timer going for this?
No, I haven't.
Wow! I don't know if I'll be able to get it out. It's actually on the element.
Oh my god.
I mean,
Oh, it is instant.
it's totally, what am I going to do?
Oh my god, it's...
Put it there. Look at that. I don't know if it is quite cooked.
Oh, no, it didn't scratch.
Oh,
Wait a
it's
minute,
not fully cooked.
It's not cooked, it's
No, you
wobbly.
better put it back.
You've probably ticked that off as a win.
Yes,
Beautiful.
egg's supposed to be a bit undercooked. Look! That is just magnificent.
So, Mummy, you happy?
Oh, well, yes, I am, because it came out better than I thought it was going to. Souffles are quite challenging.
It's actually, maybe we could take on Neroli and Kate in a cooking challenge, maybe.
If you're happy to lose.
That's what you get up to when no one's in the kitchen.
And that's why I don't like poop in the kitchen, you know.
See, we can cook. We cook well.
We've...
I wouldn't do it for a dinner party, but...
So what did you think about my cooking?
Well, I didn't know any better. As far as I know, it worked for me.
No, I wasn't really involved in the CWA so much. I think they did let me join in Brewarra at one stage, as long as I didn't cook. You know, well, I wanted somebody to wash up. So.
Anyway, cheers.
Cheers.
Tink.